Some videos get 10x, 50x, even 100x more views than your average content. These aren't flukes, they're outliers, and understanding why they explode is the key to transforming your channel. Today, I'm revealing the exact formula behind these breakout videos. In our previous videos, we optimized your settings and decoded how the algorithm finds your audience. Now let's uncover the specific elements that make certain videos suddenly take off while others stay flat. You've probably experienced this yourself. Most of your videos get a predictable number of views, then suddenly one video explodes, getting 5 to 10 times your normal viewership. This isn't random luck. These outlier videos share specific patterns that trigger algorithmic promotion. I analyzed 200 outlier videos from small channels, videos that performed at least 5 times better than their channel average, and discovered something fascinating. 91% of them shared 5 key elements that most creators completely miss. The first element is what I call pattern interruption. These videos break from the creator's usual style, length, or topic in a specific way that creates novelty while still maintaining audience relevance. This isn't about random change, it's strategic differentiation. For example, if you typically make 10-minute tutorials, an outlier might be a 5-minute case study that applies those tutorial concepts. The format change creates novelty, but the content still serves your core audience. The second element is tension stacking. Outlier videos don't just present information, they create and resolve multiple tensions throughout the video. This keeps viewers emotionally engaged and significantly increases retention. To implement tension stacking, introduce a problem or question early in your video, hint at the solution, but then introduce a complication before finally resolving it. This creates a psychological need for closure that keeps viewers watching. The third element is relevance bridging. Outlier videos connect to topics with existing search demand or viewer interest, but approach them from a unique angle. They essentially borrow momentum from established topics while offering a fresh perspective. For example, instead of making a video titled, "How to Edit Videos Faster," an outlier might be, "Why Professional Editors Never Use These 3 Features." It connects to an established topic, video editing, but offers a contrarian angle that stands out. The fourth element is future pacing. Outlier videos don't just deliver value in the moment, they create anticipation for future benefits. They make viewers feel like they're getting in early on valuable information, which dramatically increases engagement signals. To implement future pacing, include phrases like, "This approach is just starting to gain traction, but in the next year, you'll see it everywhere." Or, "Once you start using this technique, you'll notice opportunities you were missing before." The fifth and most powerful element is identity shifting. Outlier videos don't just teach viewers something new, they change how viewers see themselves. This creates a deeper connection that translates to stronger engagement signals. For example, instead of just teaching a skill, frame it as, "Once you master this, you'll approach problems like a professional designer, not an amateur." This subtle shift helps viewers imagine a new identity for themselves, creating a stronger emotional investment. Now, here's where most creators go wrong. They try to force these elements into every video, but outliers work precisely because they stand out from your regular content. The ideal approach is to make 70% consistent content that serves your core audience, and 30% potential outlier content that incorporates these 5 elements. The most damaging myth about outliers is that they're just about clickbait titles and thumbnails. While packaging matters, the content structure itself is what truly drives outlier performance. A clickbait title might get the initial click, but without these 5 elements, viewers will leave quickly, and the algorithm will stop promoting your video. So here's your action plan. First, identify your current content baseline. What topics, formats, and styles define your channel? Second, create your next video with an intentional pattern interruption while incorporating the other 4 elements. Third, analyze the results and refine your approach. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more algorithm insights. In the next video, I'll reveal the content loop system that turns occasional viewers into loyal subscribers, the key to consistent, predictable growth. Remember, outliers aren't accidents, they're engineered. Master these 5 elements, and you'll be able to create breakout videos on demand.